All right, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today, we're going to be learning how to create and design an NFT. So basically, we're going to be learning how to upload an image or an art on OpenSea, which is creating right here, and how to design that art. Now, we're already on the OpenSea platform, as you can see right here, OpenSea.io. And now we have to design the art before we can even upload it, right? That's what you have to do. So I'm going to come over here, create a new tab. And the website we're going to use to do the designing is called canva.com. You guys might probably have heard of this before. But if you're not familiar, just basically it's a platform where you can easily just design stuff without, if you're using Photoshop, it's going to take a lot of, effort. On this website, you don't really need to know much about designing or anything like the graphics or anything like that. Now, if you don't have a Canva account, all you have to do is, come onto their website, canva.com, sign up for an account, and you're going to have access to this page right here. So once you get into this page, all you have to do is click on create design, and we're going to click on custom size. Now, normally, let me cancel this right here. Normally, if I was to, do a YouTube channel art or YouTube thumbnail, these are like templated canvases that I can use right here. But for the OpenSea art, we don't have any template for that. That's why we're clicking on customize size. And so the recommended, I would say, is 512 by 384. And so just click on create new design. All right, so once this loads up, basically what we have to do now is just, create our art. And to do that, all we need to do is come to elements. Now we need a background for our image, and then we're going to put something up top. So I'm going to look for a black background. Generic, I know, but I want to make this as simple as possible for you guys. So I would use this black kind of gradient background. So now it's on the canvas. All I have to do is drag this to fill the canvas. Don't want to be seeing any white spaces on here. Boom. And now I need something actually on here. So I think I'm just going to go with a monkey. So I'll delete that. Type in monkey. Hit search. Boom. You have different images. Now Canva has Canva and Canva Pro. As you can see, these images I don't have access to just because I don't have the Canva Pro. Now, if you want to have access to that, all you have to do is purchase the Pro of Canva, basically. So I'm going to go with this monkey right here. So I'm going to drag this in to kind of fill the frame out a little bit. I know this is an ugly looking NFT, but you guys are just going to have to take it the way it is. So yeah, I'm going to try to center the image. So after this is done, I can easily change the color of this. So I don't know, let's switch this to like a blue. Let's see. We could do a red. See how a red is going to look like. Okay, I think the red looks pretty good. So I'm going to stick to that. Now I just need to make this look a little bit nicer. I'm just, see, glasses. Make it look like an actual NFT. Okay, I need to go to elements and then type glasses. Boom. So now we got a bunch of options for the glasses. I think let's go this white and black. Pull this on here. Reduce the size a little bit. Bring it back. Reduce it again. Boom. And now we got our monkey with glasses. And this is a nice looking NFT. So once you're done with designing like this, all you have to do is click on share. Now we have to download it to our PC and click on download. Now the recommended file type I'm going to suggest is JPEG, because the quality is just always better, especially when you're not using Canva Pro. So I just click on download after that. Boom, that's downloaded to my PC. Now I'm going to go back to OpenSea and I'm going to click on create. Now for you to use OpenSea, obviously you already have access to it, but for you to create an NFT on OpenSea, you need a wallet. And so you have different options right here. You can either create a MetaMask, Coinbase, Wallet Connect. I personally use Coinbase. Now I already have the Coinbase extension installed. That's why this comes up. But if not, it's just going to be another page that's going to pop up. So I'm just going to click on sign in and I'm going to type in my password. And boom, I'm in. Now, if you don't have a Coinbase account or MetaMask account, all you have to do is go to Google. And for example, I want to create a Coinbase account. I just click on Coinbase, wallet, sign up. You click on the first link that pops up right here in Google, and boom, all you have to do is fill in your information and you have your Coinbase wallet. And then you could just, use it to sign into OpenSea. So now we already have the image on our PC. All I have to do is upload it to OpenSea. Okay, this is the image right here. So I just click on open. Boom, our image is now uploaded. So I'm just going to name this monkey with glasses, or monkey punk. Just, yeah. If you have an external link, you can easily just put that in there, but I don't have one, so I'll leave that vacant. So here I'm just going to type in monkey punk NFT. Oh, made a mistake there. Monkey, M-O-N. Boom. So now you can easily, I already have a collection on here. Now what a collection means is basically, I'm going to come back over to Canva. So what the collection means is, so as I have one image right here of this monkey. Now, if I want to create a collection of this, I'll just click on add page. I'll create another one. It's going to be exactly the same as this design. The only difference now is going to be maybe the glasses or the color of the monkey. But once you create different versions of this image, that you can have, like, I don't know, 3-4 different versions. That's basically what a collection is. So I'm going to come over here now. I'm going to scroll down. Concerning the blockchain, you can easily just change that up to maybe Polygon, but I think just leave it at Ethereum. That's just the best. And we're going to click on create. I'm not a robot. Traffic lights. And boom, we have just created our first NFT. So here's your NFT right here. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. You can easily just sell your NFT by clicking on that. And that is how you create an NFT on OpenSea. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some value from it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for checking out the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.